In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a Blueberry funded account and get your first challenge. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to blueberryfunded.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can see you can get a funded account or you can log into your already existing account. But if you click login, you'll also be able to register for an account. Then from here, you'll need to add in your first name, your last name, your email address, confirm email address, your phone number, zip code, city, state, country, and address. From here, you'll need to click register and verify your email address. And then from here, you'll get another email with your credentials to log into your Blueberry funded account. From here, it should look something like this. And let's create a challenge or start a challenge. And to do that, you simply need to go over to Account Overview and then click Start New Challenge, either here or up in the right hand corner. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can select an account type, either one-step, two-step, rapid account, synthetic, instant delete, and instant light. From here, you'll need to choose the one that you want. And from here, you'll need to choose your account size, either 1.25K, 2.5K, 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, or $200,000. From here, you'll also need to choose in a platform, either MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, DXTrade, or TradeLocker. From here, you'll need to click Continue, and here you can see the available add-ons, even a 7-day tryout, and from here you just need to click Continue. Then from here you can add in a coupon if you want to do that, and click Apply, and then you can place order. From here you'll get this page right here, and here you can go down and pay for order and add in your credit card details and then pay for your account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!